Prime Minister Narendra Modi extends warm Ramzan wishes to citizens, calls for peace, harmony and compassion during the holy month of fasting. Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar to visit AIIMS in Delhi for medical checkup amid persistent back and knee pain concerns. Study reveals every district in Meghalaya faces high or very high climate risk, threatening agriculture and local livelihoods. And Shillong Press Club clinches victory in the 5th Northeast Media Cricket Tournament, defeating Media 11 of Guwahati by 9 runs in a thrilling final match. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wished citizens on the start of Ramzan, calling it a time for reflection and devotion. He expressed hopes for peace and harmony during the holy month. His message also emphasized compassion and kindness, core values that Ramzan represents. The month of fasting commences on Sunday, with Muslims across India and worldwide observing their first day of fasting. Prime Minister Modi's warm wishes were shared via X, encouraging unity and spiritual growth. Ramzan Mubarak was the closing phrase of his message to all. Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar is set to travel to AIIMS in Delhi for a medical checkup. This follows a recent sighting of the governor in a wheelchair at the assembly. Reports indicate he has been suffering from persistent knee and back pain. Despite this, his overall health remains stable. The governor arrived in a wheelchair to deliver his address during the state budget session. His visit aims to assess his ongoing health issues more thoroughly. A new study shows that every district in Meghalaya faces high or very high climate risk. The report by NICRA identifies factors like erratic rainfall and rising temperatures as major concerns. Ribhoi district in particular is at high risk due to its vulnerability to climate change. These extreme weather events threaten the state's agriculture, heavily reliant on rain-fed crops. The NICRA study highlights the widespread effects of climate change on 3.2 million hectares of crops across India. Meghalaya's agricultural livelihood is under significant threat. The Meghalaya government has partnered with Germany's KfW Development Bank to restore water resources in the state. The project will focus on the Umyo and Ganol rivers, essential for Shillong and Tura's water supply. Minister Marcus N. Marak announced the initiative to rejuvenate these catchment areas. This collaboration aims to ensure sustainable water availability for local communities. Germany's expertise will help tackle the depletion of vital water resources. The project will be crucial for addressing water scarcity in the region.
In collaboration with German government technology, the MBMA department is taking care of all these projects. It's a German term, so German government is funding it through ADB. So this is what the project name is. So government has already started the, chalk out the plans. There are different kinds of different components of work in it, and MBMA is taking care of this project. First component of work is to sensitize the people about the drying up of the sources, which they have already started. And the same is happening in Tura, Ganol sources. So Ganol is the main river which will cater to the water supply of Tura town. So therefore the catchment areas of Ganol river, all the catchment areas of Ganol rivers are being taken care of under this project.
The state government plans to introduce seaplane operations from Umyam Lake under Udan 5.5. This move aims to improve connectivity to remote areas like Kaziranga and Baljek Airport. The initiative will enhance last-mile connectivity in Meghalaya's hilly region. 2 companies have already expressed interest in operating from Umyam. The Airports Authority of India has been asked to submit a proposal for a water aerodrome. This project will revolutionize transportation in the region, making travel faster and more efficient. The BAIC Connect 2025 event in Shillong brought together architects and planners to discuss urbanization on hills. The theme of the event focused on challenges and sustainable strategies for Northeast India's growing urban areas. Key speakers highlighted issues like land instability and the need for the ecologically responsible construction. The event underscored the importance of context-sensitive urban planning. Vinu Daniel, a renowned architect, emphasized eco-friendly and cost-effective building methods. The meet concluded with a dance performance and the recognition of leading architects. A fatal road accident at 12 Mile, Ribhoi district resulted in the death of a truck driver. The truck's tire burst, causing the driver to exit, only to be struck by an oncoming oil tanker. The tanker driver fled the scene after the collision. The truck driver, Maxwell Dakar, succumbed to his injuries at Bernihat PHC. The incident caused severe traffic congestion as vehicles were stranded on the highway. Police are investigating the case and have impounded both vehicles involved. Shillong Press Club emerged victorious in the 5th Northeast Media Cricket Tournament. They defeated Media 11 of Guwahati by 9 runs in a thrilling final match. Shillong Press Club batted first, posting 148 runs in 19.5 overs. Media 11 responded with 139 runs but fell short. The trophy was handed over by Assam Deputy Speaker Numal Momin, who praised the winning team. The match was a thrilling spectacle showcasing the talent of media professionals.
Congratulations, Meghalaya Shillong team, for this wonderful victory of the fifth Northeast Media Cricket Tournament. And you have really played well. Assam team also played very well, but regular interval, they lost the wicket. They could not capitalize their initial lead. So anyway, both the team played very well, but Shillong team, they played better than Assam team, so become a victorious. So my heartiest congratulations to you and best wishes for future endeavor.
The KSU Umsning Circles football tournament reached the semi-final stage with a match between Benris FC and Sumer FC. The teams will meet again for the second leg of the competition. Mr. Ramzan Sutanga, co-chairman of MIDC, attended the match as a chief guest. Other prominent figures from Umsning were also present to encourage players. Mr. Jade Seaplane was named the best player of the day after an outstanding performance. The match received great attention from the local community and football enthusiasts.
Season mentak mapniay de KSU ni ladon ro kathong ban ong yo drops kata kadai kabat jong kaseng nagaling jong agari ko pon kadap de jingkmen ban yo ya ka response jong kipat ba kibadon sa negatan kamtam ban de don bertalang bat kaseng kabat don gani ka kam gobha ban kentiu ya ka sports na bata kisamla kiri jongi kibadon sa negatan ke jongi.
And now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 24%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 11.5 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 22.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 58%. And meanwhile in Jowai, minimum temperature 13 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 41%. And the forecast in Tura, Jowai and Shillong predicts that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extends warm Ramzan wishes to citizens, calls for peace, harmony and compassion during the holy month of fasting. Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar to visit AIIMS in Delhi for medical checkup amid persistent back and knee pain concerns. Study reveals every district in Meghalaya faces high or very high climate risk threatening agriculture and local livelihoods. And Shillong Press Club clinches victory in the 5th Northeast Media Cricket Tournament, defeating Media 11 of Guwahati by 9 runs in a thrilling final match. With that, we have come to the end of the news. Do join us again tomorrow for more news. Until then, good night.